We are busy up here this summer. We've got a new Lift 9 being constructed, and we also have quite a few other projects alongside of the lift project. We've got a new Giuseppe's going in. It's going to be a 2-year project. We've got new snowmaking going in. We've got 2 valve houses going in. We have a bunch of infrastructure going in the ground this summer along with Lift 9. About 18,000 feet of snowmaking pipe going in the ground. New fiber optics going in the ground. So this whole top of 9 area has just a lot going on this summer. We have to transport all of our construction materials, all the new material coming up here to the site, and then all of our old material, all of the old infrastructure that we're demoing and taking up out of the ground has to go down. And all of that has to happen through Sea Forever. So it's pretty critical that we keep the area safe for both the public and our workers. Overall, this project it's a pretty big one for us. I don't think the ski area has taken on anything to this magnitude anyway since probably the Prospect expansion. It's taken everybody we have. It's all hands on deck. It's all of the teams coming together to try to pull this off. Everybody we got, from Doppelmayr to ski patrol to snowmaking to trail crew, facilities maintenance, and even some outside guys. So we really are trying to move as quickly as we can, but it's really important that we keep this area closed so that our crews and the public can be safe while we try to navigate the construction projects on this mountain.